This is pretty bad, but I got that side already clean. Now I'm working on this side. So this is really, really bad, but I never have time, and, well, I gotta make time. This is disgusting. So some of the stuff up here has got to be thrown away. I don't know how I'm gonna get under here because I cannot get this thing out. Ever since I got this fridge, I can't, and it's always been like that, and I don't know how to clean underneath it. A little better just for that bottom part is the best I can do, but when something spills, nobody cleans it up, and usually it's too late for me to notice. It's looking better. Almost done. It's not getting on my food, so it's fine. Don't gripe about it. Ew, that one looks really bad. Alright, so much better. All clean just for this top. Then I gotta work on these two. But, we're gonna cut up some watermelon and I'm gonna put it in here. This fridge, the top of it, or the door's pretty bad. I mean, I can see fingerprints up here. So, let's clean it. And then this one, this is broken. So the ice maker and the water doesn't even work. It even says change filter, but it don't work. I've tried. I'm like, whatever. So I just do my hint waters. That's what I drink anyways. And way down here too. Oh, it needs to be clean. And there's my JoJo's when he was a kitten. Oh, my baby. There I go. You waiting for it? This is the dirtiest part. Ugh, so gross. I'll show you when it's all clean. All clean. That looks so much better. Trying to get my kitchen so small. I don't know if you can see it. Oh well. My dogs are loud. So nice.